All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Android Study Jam. I am Suraj Sharma, a third year CSE student at RCOEM, and basically, I am the facilitator for this event on our campus. Basically, this year. So, this is an introductory video about Study Jam. You all may be wondering what are Android Study Jams. Android study jams are the community organized study groups to learn Android development. In short, if you are someone who is looking to learn Android development, or if you are someone who has basic knowledge of Android and want to build full-fledged mobile applications, then this is the right place for you all. Okay, so anyone interested in learning Android development can participate and apply for this event. There is no prior knowledge required. Basically, we will be having few more sessions where I will be walking you through each and every topic that is mentioned in this event, which will definitely help you guys to learn the concept with ease. Uh, so basically the timeline for this event is from 29th of November till 10th January. Basically this event will be active between this timeline. So to register for this event, you need to create a public developer profile, and then basically you need to start with your labs and complete them. And at the end of your labs, you have to create a full-fledged mobile application, which you can do in group as well. We will talk more on this in the later part of the video. So moving forward, how to start your journey? Basically, for this you need to create a developer profile, uh, which i- which basically helps Google to track your work. So in order to complete the labs, one need to have some basic equipments. Like you should have Android Studio installed on your system. Basically, it is an IDE to develop mobile applications. In this course, we will be using Kotlin programming language to create mobile applications, which is an official language for Android development. So you guys may ask why Kotlin only. Basically, we can build native Android applications using Java as well as with Kotlin. But since Kotlin is 100% interoperable with Java, and it has many more advantages over Java in Android development that we will see later in this event. So you all will be working through Android basics in Kotlin course. Uh, you have to complete this lab only basically. This is a free online training course developed by Google to learn Android development. The course is made up of units, and units are composed of pathways. As you can see on the screen, the first unit made up of four pathways. You may be wondering what is exactly a pathway. It's just an ordered sequence of activities to learn a specific skill. You can see that this particular pathway has four activities. All these activities are meant to help you reach specific learning objectives, and there is a quiz at the end of each pathway, basically to check your understanding of what you have just learned. Here is what a sample quiz looks like. And let me clear one thing, that you can attempt the quizzes any number of times, but if you get any question wrong, first try to understand what the concept is, then try to answer it again. And once you pass the quiz, you will earn a badge like this one. Basically, you will get badge for completing each pathway, and the badges you have earned can be saved to your developer profile, and you can showcase these badges on your social media handle as well. So this is how the complete journey looks like. Basically, there will be in all 6 units that you have to complete, which will be consisting of 16 pathways, and you will be getting 16 batches in total that you have to collect. So what you will learn in this course means, first we will learn how to code in Kotlin programming language. Then we will start with Android basics and how to create basic apps in Android, and then later we will jump to some advanced concepts that are needed to build a full-fledged mobile application and Android concepts through live sessions. And since this course is curated by Google developers, therefore you will gain professional skills through this course. And if you complete this course, then you will be getting the certificate for completion, and you will also become eligible to get 80% off on the associate Android developer certification, worth $150. Basically, if you crack this certification, then you will become an Google certified Android developer. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself fast and start the course. So what next? So we will be having our next session on fundamentals of Kotlin and Android Basic super soon. So do join our WhatsApp group. All the announcement will be directly communicated there only. Okay, so you guys can share your achievements on social media profile with these hashtags, and these are some useful resources. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.